Hey, Luxembourgish guy with the DBS, come back! Fuck. Yeah. Oh, fuck. I ran again. Fuck. Oh my god, 2 Aston Martins. One right there. Nice. One right there. And one right there. How nice is that? You know, I always get these 2-for-2 deals going on, but I can never get the camera out and shoot it. I was just adjusting my camera to take a photo of this one right here, and then I see the other one just drive by, and the guy like see me with the camera, so he like stops for a few seconds. He's like, alright, this guy's taking too long. Nice. Whew. Nice. Alright, so here we are with the Aston Martin. I just shot the other with 2, like both these together with the other guy just driving through. This is the DBS Aston Martin. I think that's the one I have with that. Thanks, Luxembourgish man. I don't know, man. Could be. Nice car. Trying to walk on the side of it, but there's like incoming cars and stuff like that. Come on, people. Drive it, drive it. Okay, it's not this guy's car. There's your DBS right there, James Bond style in Luxembourg. Yeah, there was just another one here a minute ago. There were 2 of them. DBS right there. Oh man, I just shot a video like a minute ago showing like it being nice and well, who cares about the weather? Love these cars. Things on the hood and everything. Nice freaking car. It says DBS on the seats. Ooh. Vroom vroom. I mean vroom vroom. I'll shut up. Nice car. Check out my other videos, alright? See ya, suckers. Subscribe. Nice. Subscribe. See ya. I gotta go. Nice. Woo! Yeah, that's the BS on the side over there. Okay, fuck it, man. I just shot that other Porsche over there and this Aston Martin here, and check out what comes driving down the street. If your people could learn how to drive in Luxembourg, come on, man. Move it. I always get run over by French people almost every single day. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Move it, move it, move it, move it, move it. Porsche behind you. GT3. Come on, let's go. Nice car. Nice car. Oh, it's just a Carrera. Nice. Any more exotics? Nah. Just another SUV. 2.7 Audi. Alright, I'm done.